This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below.
Morning, guys. December 3rd, 2018. This one here, I gotta go do an annual on an old pancake boiler. I mean, it's an old, I think it was a Wow McLean round style. Could have burned coal in this baby back in the day. So it's quite the. I've worked on it before. It's a red unit. It did have a stack switch. I jumped that out and I put a Honeywell T87F in there. And their husband died. I mean, he was in his 90s and didn't want to change it. She's calling me. She said she could smell oil down there, so we'll go over there and see what's going on. I think I have worked on a firebox. I mean, the guy didn't want to spend no money. It's all the way people are. I mean, they're tighter than 2 coats of paint, some of these people. But anyway, I'm going over there and, put a new nozzle in it and check it out, see what's going on. Maybe change the filter. I know she's got old stuff there, an old tank, kind of down in a little dark area. Try to get you some shots. I got it off over there. The filter's right here. Somebody's changed that control. It's a newer control on there. We're gonna change the nozzle and fire it up so you know it's running. Old beast. Last time I was here it was 16. 2 years. Oh, look at that. Wasn't even put in there. See that? That's not good. That's better than it's gonna come out now. Things in there. Oh yeah, that nozzle, just a crusty one. Be getting a hesitation on the start, I think that's a 1 gallon. 1 gallon 80 or something like that. That's a long way in there, Mama. Oh, yeah, it is. check the oil flow. Might have to pull it all apart and vacuum it, who knows. We'll see. Old beast should be changed. She should be changed. But run just the motor. Look at the way they do it. Look at that, I just popped that thing out of there. I didn't put that box in there. I wouldn't have did that like that. I wouldn't have did that like that. No way. Plug that into my light so I can check the oil pump. See if we're getting a good flow of oil there. Gotta make sure that thing doesn't arc out. I don't want it to. Overhead oil line here, so we'll plug it in and we'll check it. It looks like there's air in there, see it? Overhead oil line, get a good flow here. That's what the problem was. That's good. So we were dumping a little bit of oil in there because it wasn't firing, but that should be fine now. Getting a good oil flow, our filter's okay. Alright, so the orange goes to the orange, which is the motor. I wonder what they got two blacks here like that for. I'll have to see what two blacks are for. That one's a transformer. This one's a transformer leg. And that one's a transformer leg. Alright, so the motor and the transformer had to go together. That's the way they had it wired. Motor and a transformer go together. And then the common was the other side of the transformers, the common. This is the common. And these commons all go together. So what happened was it lost its prime, and that's why it was probably spittering and sputtering and making all kinds of running rough type of thing. turn up a couple of the zones upstairs. We'll fire it up, see how it runs. Alright guys, she's gonna turn up her thermostat. Zone valves. Takes 90 seconds for them to call. There it goes. Pancake boiler. There was a little bit of oil in there, so I gotta burn that off. Could have been spittering and sputtering and running shitty. This flipping door, this door's ready to fall off here. Unbelievable. Thing's gotta go. What a beast. 2-inch. It's 2-inch supply. And 1.25 inch return. With the feeder. Alright, that's an old one. Four 3/4 supplies. She needs a new boiler. That's what she needs here. Getting draft over the fire there, see it? There's a little hole in the glass. I mean, this thing's gotta go. We are getting draft over the fire. What a piece of shit this thing is. Alright guys, new nozzle. Air and oil line cleared. Draft over fire. Good oil flow. Alright, she needs a new unit. She needs a new boiler. She needs. We'll make sure there's no carbon in the room down there. There was definitely air in the line, so it was spittering and sputtering, and that's why you...
The smell?
Like I said, this thing needs to be replaced.
Yeah.
Alright, well, you got a carbon monoxide detector. I'll put it in here somewhere. And, but we're on the same page as far as you need this thing has to be replaced, right?
Yeah, I know.
Okay. Monitor right there we just put in.